English Intermediate 1. Part 1. Lantern Festival. Mi recorrido imaginario. Last night, I arrived at the Lantern Festival with my friends. We waited for the main event to start because it was the best part. I sat on a glowing bridge made of glass to take photos. The music was played by a band in the central plaza. Children were running around at the food area with lanterns. At midnight, thousands of lanterns were released into the sky. I stood by the wishing fountain to watch them float away. Part 2. The United States. Mi país favorito. The United States is known for its movies and technology. Hollywood films are watched by people all over the world. iPhones are designed by Apple in California. Hamburgers are eaten by people in every state. In the past, the Internet was developed in the US in the 1960s. Disney was founded in the US in 1923. Also, the first man on the moon was sent by NASA in 1969.